Hello and welcome to In the Raw with Jolly, and this is Jolly. We can't show you her face right now because she's in the middle of cleaning. What we're showing you today, what I am showing you today, is how to clean your bath the bestest possible way there is, and it's natural. So we have flannel and homemade soap. About 2 centimeters depth of water at the front end of the bath. You do not need a lot. And then we have here the residuals of a purplish blue bath bomb. So I'm going to show you how easy it is, simple and quick, to get that off. Okay, wet the flannel. Okay, et voila. Now, I'm not a very strong woman. I'm also not necessarily young. And that is relatively very little effort. Then you just go around the whole bath this way, give it a rinse when you're done, and then Bob's your auntie. Perfect. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.